Here is how to fix the no root RTC connecting error on Discord. So when you try to join a voice channel and Discord gets stuck on the RTC connecting, here is what to do. First, you need to reset the voice settings. So open Discord and go to the user settings, go to voice and video option. You need to scroll down and you'll get this option under app settings section between accessibility and chat. Now go ahead and reset your voice settings. And after you've done that, close Discord if you have it open on your device. After completely closing it, make sure that it's not running in the background and right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager and find any Discord processes, then right-click on it and select End Task option. Also try clearing the DNS cache. Open the Windows search bar and type in command prompt or CMD and run it as an administrator. Give administrator privileges, and then after type ipconfig//DNS. Then hit enter on your keyboard, and this clears potentially problematic cached network data. Close the command prompt now and reopen Discord and try joining the voice channel. The problem should be resolved automatically. And if the issue is only one server, right-click on the voice channel, then select Edit Channel and go to Permissions. Find the option of region, override and change it from automatic to a different region and save the changes. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall Discord application, or you can also use the web browser. Go to discord.com, log into your account and start using Discord. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.